and welcome to yet another video. Today we'll be doing a very interesting DIY which will be making bookmarks. My reader gang out there. Today we'll be making some bookmarks, and these are not just your regular bookmarks. We'll be making them using some flowers, some pressed flowers that I personally pressed in a book. And I just think they're so beautiful and they can make really good bookmarks. And I didn't intend to do this DIY because I had hoped that I could take the flowers to a cyber and the cyber guy can do their thing and make the bookmarks for me using a machine. But apparently, the guy said that the machine would not work with the flowers because they're not really flat. It would possibly burn them. So I couldn't risk burning my weeks of work. So I decided to no the guy actually advised me to do it myself, and that's what we'll be doing in this video. We'll be making some bookmarks using dried flowers or pressed and dried flowers, and we'll be needing the materials that we'll need obviously are the flowers. We'll also need laminating paper that I got from the cyber for 30 Kenyan shillings, just one. And we'll also need an iron, and also we'll need a cloth for ironing because we can't iron directly on the laminating paper. So the instructions or the procedure of making the bookmarks is basically arranging the flowers in the laminating paper, and then I iron to make the paper stick, and then I cut the paper into pieces because I'll iron them as one. I'll iron them in one in the whole of the paper, and that's basically the process. It's not really complicated, so I'll leave you to watch me doing that, and then I'll see you at the end where we'll review the final product. So until then, enjoy. And here are the final products. And I must really say, I love how they have turned out. They look so beautiful. I can't believe that this is my creation. And I decided to make one in an uneven shape because its rectangle was not straight and I couldn't stand the curve. So I had to be creative around it. And I love how they have turned out. I will really, really use them because they are really beautiful. They are handmade. I can even gift someone. But I think there's a mistake I made. I think I should have used a heavier cloth, like a towel or something, when ironing the laminated paper, because I think the cloth I used was a little bit weak, hence it kind of burned the laminating paper, but no worries, they still look amazing. And here I'm just replacing my old bookmarks. For this book, I was using a photograph, so I replaced it with a new bookmark. For this book, I was using some prayer guidance or something that I got from my grandma, and I'll be replacing it with an amazing bookmark, handmade bookmark. Yeah, so you see how they look amazing in the book. I really, really like how they look, and you can't even see the deformities in the book. You can only see them when they're outside. And this one, I just used some cardboard, and now I'll be replacing that with an amazing bookmark. And I really like how the bookmarks look on the books, and I'm happy that I'll have actual bookmarks because I've never bought or owned a bookmark. Anyway, I'm really glad that you could tune in until the end. Thank you so much for that. And if you have any feedback, just let me know. And until the next video, peace and love. And remember, true happiness is when you are your biggest fan.